Lucy Alexis Liu, professionally known as Lucy Liu, was born on 2nd of December in 1968. She is an American actress who was born in New York. Today she is celebrating a birthday of 56 years. She born to Chinese immigrant parents. She started by starring in television series such as Ally McBeal, released from 1998 to 2002, and Charlie's Angels films, one released in 2000 and other released in 2003. She voice acted as Master Viper in the first 3 installment of Kung Fu Panda franchise. She has received several accolades including a Critics' Choice Award, 2 Screen Actor Guild Award, a Seoul International Drama, as well as 2 nominations in Prime Emmy Awards. At the age of 19, while traveling on subway, Liu was discovered by an agent. She appeared in one commercial as a lizard. As a member of the Basement art student-run theater group, she auditioned in 1989 for University of Michigan production of Alice in Wonderland. During her senior year of college, although she has originally tried out for only a support role, Liu was cast in the lead while in the audition for musical Miss Saigon in 1999. She told the New York Times that there aren't many Asian roles and it's very difficult to get your foot in the door. In May 1992, Liu made her New York stage debut in Fairy Bones, directed by Tina Chen. She had small roles in film and television. Making her debut in 1992, she made her biggest screen debut in the Hong Kong film Rim of Destiny. Other movies she acted in include Platozoa, Bang Guy, Jerry Maguire, Gridlock, City of Industry, Fry Paper, Love Kills, Payback, True Crime, Mori, The Mating Habit of the Half-Pound Human, Pray It to the Bone, Shanghai Noon, Charlie's Angel, Hotel, Ballistics, Cyber, Chicago, Kill Bill 2, Mulan 2nd, Three Needles, Domino, Codename, Lucky Number Slevin, Lies, Watching the Detectives, Red On, Old Guy, The Tiger's Apprentice, Prisons, Shazam, Fury of Gods, Strange World, Strange Monster, Set It Up, Future World, Kung Fu Panda 3, Kung Fu Panda, Secret of the Scroll, Magic Wonderland, and many more. Wishing happy birthday to Lucy Liu. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, write the comment. Some of this information was posted on Wikipedia. Lucy Alexis Liu, uzwi nka Lucy Liu, yagize isabukuru y'imyaka 56, akaba ari umunyamerika w'umukinnyi w'amafilime wavukiye ku babyeyi b'Abashinwa bahungiye muri Amerika. Gukina amafilime byamuhaye gutsindira Critics' Choice Television Award, Screen Actor Guild Award inshuro 2, Seoul International Drama Award, ndetse ajya no mu bahatanira Prime Emmy Award inshuro 2. Ku myaka 19 yatangiriye mu itsinda ryakinaga udufilime dutoya cyangwa kwerekana imbere y'abantu akiri mu mashuri. Filime ya mbere yakinyemo yitwa Rhythm of Destiny, igakurikiraho Protozoa. Nyuma yaho yakinnye amafilime menshi harimo nka Jerry Maguire, Kung Fu Panda. Izaheruka kugaragaramo ni Jerry Shantu, This is the Underworld, A Man in Full, Death to 2021, Red One, Old Guy, The Tiger's Apprentice ndetse na Presence. Ukoze kubana nanjye nagusaba like na subscribe, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment, urakoze, ugira ibihe byiza.